Hello sir, hello ma'am. I am Gauri Rakesh Bendre. Today's session I will discuss about what is the process and what is the thread in the Java. The process that means we it is a lightweight of the process. Lightweight of the process. Process that means we suppose we run the one program, but we do not run program directly. We follows the step by step for the running program. This program is known as the process of the thread. The the one process have the contain the more than execute the more than process. This main process is known as the parent process, and other processes is known as the child of the process, or the clone of the process. The each process has the share the own memory, or address of the each of the separate. The we do not process is not share the memory for the each other. The process uh, the process is uh, uh, the process is what is the it is a share the memory for the each other. The process is the independent for the each other. The features of the process: each time create a new process. If we call the other process, we call the we created the other system, call the OS of the this system. The process is share the own address, or space of the memory. The in process synchronization is not carried out. Then second is second first sec, second second is thread. The thread is lightweight of the process. The one process has contained the one thread. It is a independent manage for the thread scheduler. The thread is interrelated for the each other, uh, share the own memory. At the time we execute the one or more thread, at the time. uh, then single thread executed is called as a single threading. Then multiple threads are executed is called as a multiple threading. Thread is the if we consider the one thread, and there are the many thread for each other. But one thread is not share the our memory for the another thread. It is particular memory is sufficient. So features of the thread is the share the data. uh, Thread is consider the stack and register of each other, and synchronization is avoided for the scenarios. Also, thread is also process as the some steps. Some states are available. That means OS is some states are presented in the process. New, it is execute for the new process. Then ready, it is ready to execution. Then running is program is executed. then start. The start is automatically called the run state. You do not again write the run method. It is start is invoked to the run method. Then uh, dead state. Dead state, that means our program is finished. Not any process are executed. It is the process and threads in the Java. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.